qital, we would have stayed here. There is no qital here. There is no fight. We're walking out. Ibn Ubay ibn Salul with his whole gang of almost, I think, 1,000 people, hypocrites, they were walking out. Muslims, right? They say La ilaha illallah. What did Allah say about them? That day, they were closer to kufr than Islam. Closer to kufr than Islam. This is the condition of our elite, our leaders, who could at least have an argument with the kuffar that, okay, we're doing business here. Okay, let's do good business, but please take care of our people too. What would it take from you? It would take nothing from you. You're giving them millions and billions of dollars and you can't even put that on the table, you losers. You're enemies of Allah. They are enemies of Allah. They're a'da'ullah. There is no question about that. The corrupt elite of this ummah is the greatest enemies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah help us get rid of them.